Hey guys, it's me, Marissa. I am so busy. I've been so busy, kind of neglected my videos, and frankly, YouTube is getting a little neglected. Those videos take so much time to edit, and I'm crafting, getting ready for craft fairs. I am in Arlington Heights this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and so I'm crafting a lot, but I haven't been making a lot of videos for you because I'm doing so much crafting. So I thought I'm making these for my show this weekend at Forest View Educational Center in Arlington Heights, so come out and see me. And I thought, since I'm making bunches of them anyways, I would get on live and show you how. Then I'll pop this video over on YouTube and on the blog, do a project sheet for you. That way I can keep in touch with all my online stampers, customers, and still teach you some fun stuff, even in my crazy busyness. All right, so let me go through the Stampin' Up products that I use to make these fun little butterfly lip balms, and we'll get started crafting. I wonder if anybody will even join me. I'm just impromptu. All right, so this is the project, and I have here Stampin' Up Butterflies Thinlits Dies. It's a set of 3 butterfly dies. Get this fun little butterfly outline, and then this one cuts out this incredibly detailed kind of medium-sized butterfly. And look at this gorgeous swallowtail butterfly. So those are the 3 dies that are in this set. We're going to use these 2 to make this project. I've also got this gorgeous glimmer paper. This is the Myths and Magic 6x6 glimmer paper, and comes in an assorted package of 6x6 sheets in these 3 great colors. We're going to use a sheet of this Bermuda Bay glimmer paper here for our butterfly. I've got a scrap of Daffodil Delight here, and this one is, let me see if I can give you a measurement. It'll be on the project sheet. I'll get that done for you as soon as possible, but let me just take a look here. This is 2.5 by 4. It just needs to be big enough for this kind of medium-sized butterfly. Okay, and then I've got a piece of this gorgeous Designer Series paper. This is from the Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper that is free with your $50 purchase during Sale-a-bration. So you cannot buy this Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper. You can only get it for free. So place a couple of things, order a couple of things from Stampin' Up, grab some of this Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper free. Now, let me show you something else that I did with the Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper. And I'll go either live or get a YouTube video as soon as possible with this one. But here's another great use of the Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper. And I'll have a video for these for you guys as soon as possible. Aren't those adorable? Doing those for the craft fairs too. Hi, Jackie. I know I'm impromptu live crafting. I didn't know if anybody was going to join me. I'm just sharing some of my little lip balm project. This one's also a little lip balm holder. And I decided to go with the Lip Smackers soda flavored lip smackers. All right, so that's another use of the Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper. And there, that's a good look at all the different patterns. You can tell that I've been making a lot of great use out of this awesome freebie for Sale-a-bration. All right, if you've got any questions about Stampin' Up Sale-a-bration, placing an order with Stampin' Up during the Sale-a-bration period and getting this Designer Series paper free, you can always email me, marissa@kitchentablestamper.com. I'm happy to help with Stampin' Up orders. For this particular butterfly, we're going to use this gorgeous shimmer ribbon in Bermuda Bay, and this is also a free Sale-a-bration item. There's a 3-pack of shimmer ribbons that's free with a $50 purchase. So we're going to use this gorgeous shimmer one to finish up our butterfly. Okay, So let's get started here with our crafting. This designer series paper is 2 1/4 by 1 7/8. Jackie said you can make those. Oh, you can make those to hold mini liquor bottles. Yeah, you know, like the little airplane ones. I don't know. Can't do it for the craft fairs. I have a feeling a liquor lice would be involved with that. But all right, so here's our little lip smacker, and I'm going to use some fast fuse and cover that with this gorgeous designer series paper. And I'm just fast fused down both sides here. Uh-oh, I got some on my work surface. All right, so what I like to do is line up my designer series paper with the seam and the lip smacker label. That way I know it goes straight. And maybe for gift giving, you can make those to hold the little mini liquor bottles. All right, so there's our adorable little custom lip smacker. Now I'm going to get my Big Shot and we'll do a little die cutting. I feel like my video's wobbling a little bit. Jackie, is it coming through okay? This is what we're making. I see there's a few people joining us. I haven't had a lot of time for making videos and editing them, so I'm to live on Facebook right now. I want to keep in touch with you and keep you inspired, but these craft fairs are keeping me busy. All right. So here's our Big Shot. I've got it all set up for die cutting, and we can do both of these in one pass. We're gonna grab our glimmer paper and our big swallowtail butterfly. Put that one up in the corner here. And on the bottom of the platform, I'm gonna put my Daffodil Delight cardstock. See, it fits right on there. And my other butterfly here. And then I'll crank those through. You can still sell them and tell people they have to buy the liquor separately. That's it. I can sell the packaging and they can fill it themselves. They'd be pretty cute, I think. Or, you know, at the holiday time, my brother always brings the chocolate liquor bottles. Do you know what I'm talking about, Jackie? You know, those ones that are the chocolate bottles and they have the liqueur inside? He brings those to Christmas every year. I love it, personally. But to fill that little box up with those chocolates, that could work. I don't think I'd need a liquor license to do that one. All right, since I'm doing the glimmer paper, I'm running my Big Shot back and forth 3 or 4 times. It just makes sure that we get all the way through that backer on the glimmer paper and make sure that we get a clean cut all the way through on all these little details. All right, so I'm going to take these guys out and grab my die brush. All right, so here is the die brush. I love this tool. And I'm going to just put my little butterfly right on top of the foam pad here. Love this tool. There's all those little bits. They're not all over my craft room. They're not all over the floor. They're right there in the mat, ready to go into the trash can. And there's my perfect little butterfly. Monica says, just joining. What are you making? Hi, Monica. Hi, Dolores. I know I'm so impromptu. I didn't even give anybody a heads up. I'll show you what we're making. I'm getting ready for craft fairs, and so I've been so busy. I haven't made hardly any videos for my blog. And the easiest way for me to video what I'm doing is to get on live. And so here I am. Surprise! All right. So now, any guesses what I'm making? Something with butterflies, right? All right, let me get this out of here and get the project back in. Except I lost the project. Who's responsible for that here? All right, this is what we're making. It's a fun little lip balm holder gift. I'm doing them for the craft fair, so since I'm making 30 of them for the craft fair, I thought, why not grab the phone and do a quick video tutorial, show you how. All right, I've still got a couple little pieces that don't want to come out here. Let's get all those out. This butterfly is prettier if all the little cuts are gone. Love this guy. I'm in between getting dinner on the table and stuff and trying to get ready for my next show. My next craft fair is at Forest View Education Center, and it's this weekend. So I had a craft fair, and then a week, and then another craft fair. I'm keeping busy. All right, Dolores says, I'm at work, but I saw you were live. So time for a bathroom break. Dolores, I love you. That's awesome. I used to call that vacation time. I needed a little vacation time. I haven't worked in an office in a long time. And Monica says, cute. How did your craft fair go? Great pictures you shared. Thank you, Monica. It was really slow. I was surprised at how light the traffic was, but the sales were good. I was also, see, I call this the bait. Like, this is the bait. But what I'm really looking for at the craft fairs is people who want to be involved in, kitchen table, stamper, or the other 364 days of the year, I'm looking for people who want to take classes or become demonstrators with Stampin' Up, or, just be involved in my business the rest of the year. And I didn't find a lot of people who were necessarily interested in classes and stuff. So if you're asking how it went, the response to that is mixed, all right, so I've got my two little butterflies, and what I do is I line them up so that their bodies are even at the bottom here. And that's how I found that it makes the nicest little wings. And then I go 1, 2, 3, 4 from the bottom and put the ribbon through. And then same on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to come back up through this one. And that gave me the best balance. My lip balm sits nicely that way. The butterflies, the two of them stay together real nicely. So if you kind of follow that fourth one up and line up the body at the bottom there, it works well. So I got my shimmer ribbon. This is the Sale-a-bration ribbon. And I got the Sale-a-bration paper. Wrapped my little lip balm, and I'll put the seam of the paper down. Now, since these are for craft fairs, this is where I found to put my little copyright Stampin' Up information. So it's on there, but I used it to kind of reinforce that seam. Monica says, your creations are so pretty. Thank you. Cute gifts for coworkers or friends when you have a get together. Absolutely, like party favors, or I love the idea. I tell people when they come up to the booth, I say everyone loves a treat. Don't forget your teachers and coworkers and mailman and hairdresser, and everybody loves a treat. But it's a great one to drop on all the coworkers' desks. And this one is so spring and not difficult to make at all. Comes together really quick. So there's my little lip balm. I just tied the butterfly wings on. Let me grab my scissors and I'll trim the tails on the ribbon here. Grab this side, and then the last thing I do is just shape my butterfly a little bit. Dolores says, since watching you, my new favorite place to be is dollar store, right? I'm telling you, there's just something special about Dollar Tree stuff. It's all got potential. So there's our little lip balm holder. I did them with the glimmer paper on the big swallowtail, and I also did them in reverse here. Had a little bit of white ribbon, but that's it. Super simple one. I just figured if I didn't get on live and do it, I wasn't going to get around to it this week because it's so busy. I'll go ahead and archive this. I'll put it on YouTube and on the blog, and I'll put together a project sheet for you. But that's it. That's what I'm up to. Tomorrow, I'll do another live, and we'll do this little lip balm holder, okay? Let me show you what we'll do tomorrow. And then Friday, I'll be live at noon. Live is just the only way I'm getting stuff done right now. I hope you guys don't mind. So these are fun little lip balm holders. I found these soda lip smackers. So this one's Dr. Pepper, and this one's Orange Crush. And I could not resist them with that free Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper. Thanks to Twyla for helping me out with the measurements for this little box. But I'll do a live video for you tomorrow just to kind of keep in touch while I'm busy with craft fairs. All right, you guys. Thanks so much for your time this afternoon, all impromptu. If you need anything Stampin' Up, especially products right now during Sale-a-bration, if you want to get your hands on some of this Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper or this gorgeous shimmer ribbon, you can't buy these products. You can only get them free during Sale-a-bration. I'd be happy to help you with an order. Email me, okay? Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. Thanks for spending some of your Wednesday afternoon with me. I'll see you tomorrow in the afternoon. We'll do this little project, and then I'll see you for my usual Facebook Live on Friday at noon, okay? Becky says, love it. Thanks, Becky. I'll have a project sheet for you guys on the blog later today. Let me know if I can help you out with a Stampin' Up! Order. Don't miss the Bubble If It's Designer Series paper for free, or the shimmer ribbon. Can't miss out on that stuff. All right.